Hello, Zippos Norway here again. Today I'm going to talk about the different replica Zippos. I have a little collection of my replicas here. I don't got the 1933 replica. It's pretty hard to find and it's pretty expensive if you find it. So I have the 1935 replica. This one with the slashes. I reviewed this in a video for a couple of days ago. That's that. I got the 1937 replica in a brushed chrome finish. You can see a little bit of difference. The 1937 has the new type of hinge, the 5-barrel hinge. You get the flat top. On the new one you get a top that's more of a dome shape. On the 1935 also have the flat top. So that's that. You can see this is the same lighter but only with the slashes in the corners. It's a standard insert like the newer Zippos. If you take a look at the 1935 is also a standard insert. The only difference is you got a hollow pin on the 35 and a regular pin on the 1937 replica. So that's the difference there. Beside the hinge and the shape, and you can see it's a little bit shorter than the 1937 replica. So that's that. And then we can move to the 1941 replica. This one is in brushed brass finish with high polish sides. Here we got a 4-barrel hinge. So 5 barrels on the 1937, 4 barrels on the 1941, and 3 barrels on the 1935. Whoops. Ah, damn it. Damn it. I scratched the finish on my brass Zippo. Not good at all. Okay. Then this will be a user and I have to order a new one for my collection. Damn it. I don't know if you can see it. There you have the scratch. Damn it. Yeah. This has a brass insert. Here you have a 14-hole chimney. You missed the last hole in that corner on both sides. And a hollow pin. So that's that. I think all of these lighters is made in 2014. This one is made in 14. Here you got the regular brushed chrome finish, same lighter. without any scratches. That's this one, 1941. And you got the 1941 on a black ice finish with this print on the front. Same lighter. And this is the 1941 Black Crackle Facebook exclusive lighter. This is the regular Black Crackle. This is my user, Black Crackle 1941. I think this is my favorite Zippo. This has been heavily used, and you can see the finish is, yeah, it's almost like it is new. So this is a hard finish. So, and I got another user. That's the that's the Polish chrome finish. So, but of all my Zippos, I think the Black Crackle one is my favorite. And it's like the lighters the military used under the Second World War. They got this type of lighter with the Black Crackle. They were made of steel because all of the brass went to ammunition production. So they made this type of lighter in steel under the Second World War. And all the lighters that they produce were shipped to the army and the military. So no civilian got to buy a Zippo under the Second World War. So my favorite of all Zippos, including the replicas, this is my favorite Zippo. So that's that. I don't know what else I could say. This was a part of my replica collection. So yeah, have a happy new year, folks, and see you guys later. Bye bye.